In this tutorial, I will show you area graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So you can access area graph tool from this stack. This is graph stack, and you can access area graph tool from here. After accessing it, I am drawing an area. This is the area. So first of all, this is the data sheet. I am accessing mobile 1, mobile 2, mobile 3, then year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. So after entering this, if I accept it, you can see can't create the graph. There must be at least one number to graph. So here must be number to show the graph. So year 1 I am making it 50, then make it 75, then make it 100. This is 95, 45, 25. This is 95, 45, 25, and this is 100, 75, 25. After entering all data, I am accepting it. This is, you can see here is the area graph created by after inputting this data in the data sheet. So after accessing it, you can access by right clicking here, type. You can customize the area graph. From here you can add drop shadow. You can see here is drop shadow has been added. Also you can add legend to the across top. Now legend in the top, you can make it in the right section. In this way, here is no options. In this way you can also, here is value axis, you can amend it, and category axis I have already discussed in the previous tutorial, so I hope you will check this. So I am okay, I am accepting it. And after that, if you access right there, if you access direct selection tool from here, you can colorize this. I am selecting it, holding down shift and selecting it, and from here I am making it RGB, and this is, you can see the color has been changed. Also now click here. I am clicking here, and after that I am changing the color, making it red or orangey. Then I am selecting this color, and this color, and RGB and light green. Also I am selecting drop shadow and making this drop shadow lighter. So in this way you can also customize the tool, and also if you select it, right clicking, you can design the design option. You have also data, you can amend any data. If you say now it is 150, you can check, and accepting it, the data will be customized as per input data again. So in this way you can create area graph inside Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.